Jonah has volunteered to be on Velveeta duty because everybody likes to slice the Velveeta cheese. We need it in tiny little cubes, okay?
We get excited here about
It's a satisfying thing just to let that knife, just wait till you feel it, Daddy. Just wait. It's great.
It don't take a lot to make us happy. Something like this right here can make us cheer for days.
Yeah, cottage cheese.
Look at that. When I was a kid, my mom used to have this a lot. I thought it was great. I really did. Loved to go to my mom's house just to get some of this Velveeta. She also always had the little chicken biscuit with the
squirt cheese.
Yeah, this right here, y'all. My mom
Easy
always
cheese.
had this. When we went over there, I was like, where's it at?
We're making something fun tonight, y'all. Hot wings.
They're gonna be good.
We've been loving wings here lately.
Yes, we have, folks.
We ate at Wild Wing Cafe. Is that what it's called?
Wild Wing Cafe.
A while back, and we ordered an appetizer that they have called Hot Shots. We're gonna try to make those. We have no idea how to make them. I've tried to look up copycat recipes, can't find anything. So we're just going off of our taste buds.
And what we think.
What we think were in those Hot Shots. It's kind of like sausage balls.
Let me smell that fork and make sure that we're okay. Always smell your meat, folks. If you don't,
okay? Are we okay?
we're okay. If it don't have that smell of this is okay, then you're probably not gonna be okay.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be on celery duty, okay?
Yeah. So I've got a pound of sausage here. I'm just gonna cut this in half. We're gonna put half of this in here. I wonder if I should just put this whole pound of sausage. What do we think? I'm just gonna put the whole pound.
Well, I don't know, Mom. Whatever you think, baby.
We're gonna put the whole pound. If we have leftovers, it's fine, because these are really good if they turn out like Wild Wing Cafes.
If they turn out like them did, they're
Yeah.
fantastic, y'all. You know,
We'll show you real quick.
We'll show y'all kind of what we've been up to with wings over the last week or two, baby.
We've been loving wings.
We've
We
been
went to
loving
Wild Wing Cafe, and then there was another place that we went to, and we also
Clarksville.
got the wings from Longhorn. So y'all go on a little wing adventure while I'm slicing up these peppers and he's slicing up the celery.
We've never eaten here before, everybody.
Yeah, we're gonna test it. Is there one of these in the mountains?
I don't know.
Pretzel bites, basket of taters, Hot Shots, homemade spicy pork sausage balls, fried and served with honey mustard dressing.
You wanna try some of those?
Yeah, that'd be good. Little sliders, fried pickles, chips, and sauce. They got a lot of appetizers. Here are the Hot Shots.
Really good. That's really good. Make him at Christmas time.
We got Maplelicious and the Boss Wings and the house chips. How are the chips? You already tried
Really
one.
good.
I got a riddle.
Okay.
There's 3 cows in the pasture, 2 dogs.
Okay.
They had babies.
The dogs had babies or the cows?
Cows and dogs.
Okay.
The dogs' names, babies, were actually Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Saturn.
Okay.
And the cow's last baby name was Mr. Potato.
Okay.
And all the cow's babies' name were Apple Cider Donut. That's all the babies' names were.
Okay.
What were the mommy's and daddy's name? Cows and dogs.
Beef steak.
Yeah.
Here's the original riddle. There were 3 dogs named Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. What was the mama's name?
If you get it, type it in the comment section below.
Very good way.
Let's order some wings from the pizza place too.
We're going into Scoops, this little candy and ice cream shop over here. We're gonna get some wings from the pizza place. They got outdoor, it's called Your Pie. Oh, they have gelato in there too. I sent her in there to tell him to get some gelato, and look at him. He knows. What kind is it?
Mango.
Good. Is it good? Is it smooth? Is it creamy?
It is.
That's great,
It's
y'all.
delicious.
What kind did you get?
These are, this
Lemon
is lemon
pepper.
pepper.
Lemon pepper. Now, what's that drizzle of something?
I'm not sure. It's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How you like it, Sissy? She might not like lemon pepper. Do you like it? Okay. Buffs?
Buffalo.
Oh.
Yeah. Really good. Yeah, they're good.
Welcome
Back to the future.
Welcome.
We thought that the ones from Downtown Cafe, Downtown, what's it called?
Downtown Flavor Town.
Flavor Town up in Pigeon Forge.
So far, they've got of the wings we've tried so far.
Now
it's
we
the
didn't
best.
try. We can't be fair with that because we
About
still
the-
got to go back to Wild Wings, which was fantastic. We thought they were great. They got so many though that
Yeah.
there was a lot to choose from there.
You would have to go a bunch of times or either have a big appetite and a lot of money.
But
to,
one thing we did love is these hot shots.
Yes.
We thought they were fantastic. We're going to try to make some wings tonight, and we're going to do some of these hot
he
shots.
looked for some sriracha dust because
Couldn't find
that's
it.
what Guy called his. That's on his the chicken wings we tried from there. But I mean, I'm sure at the store it's not called sriracha dust, but any kind of sriracha seasoning. But he couldn't find any.
Couldn't find
So these hot shots we think are ground pork, and we're putting a little bit of pork sausage in here too, with peppers and cheese. And the cheese didn't seem like it was just shredded cheese. It seemed like Velveeta. It was real melty, wasn't it?
Yes, it had a very smooth
Yeah.
kind of deal going.
It was really, really melty, so we think it's Velveeta, so that's what we got that for. Jonah and Cece already got it cubed up really little for me, and I'm about to start mixing these. We think that's all that was in there. Maybe some seasoning. What kind of seasoning do you think? Salt and pepper?
I don't think a whole lot of seasoning on there. I mean, I thought it was pretty simple as far as the seasoning
Do you think there would be any garlic powder in it, or should I just go salt and pepper?
Maybe just a little bit of garlic, maybe. It wouldn't
Okay.
be a bad idea. You know what I mean?
We're gonna do them pretty little, about that big. Maybe just a little bit more. Cover up that Velveeta there. I'm thinking they're gonna need to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. We'll just time it here and see. I'll set a timer for 7 minutes and we'll see where we are.
Here we go, everybody. I'm gonna measure this tonight. That way y'all know exactly how much I'm doing. 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder. Going in 2 teaspoons of chili powder.
These hot shots did not seem like they had any breading mixed in with those. That was another thing different
Yeah.
from sausage balls. There was no bread.
Right.
It didn't seem like there was anyway.
Half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm measuring it out for you tonight. Now what, Titus? We are going to go in with about 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm going to go in with another 1/8 of a teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix this up well. That's all I'm doing, just shaking it around, everybody. Just shaking. I'm gonna just do a dry rub here. I'm just gonna sprinkle it over the top, just like this right here.
I'm gonna take a peek at these and see what we got, y'all.
We did it!
Maybe.
I think we've done it,
Oh
folks.
no. You're right though. They did, I think, have a little something. What do you
They
think?
had a little cheese on the outside, but I think
How did they do cheese on the outside?
they probably just, you know, like you've seen on a grilled cheese on like the guys' cooking channel. Sometimes they'll put like a layer of cheese on the outside of the bread. And
Yeah, but how do you get that with this?
you're gonna have to give me time to think on this
Okay,
some more,
you just
baby, and
keep
I'll
thinking.
think this up. Give me
Keep on
time,
thinking.
baby, and I'll figure it out. Folks, I know y'all don't realize us folks down here in the South can figure stuff out.
Oh yeah, we'll just figure something
The
out.
way we talk can kind of confuse people sometimes. They like, do they really know anything down there? There's a lot of wisdom here, and I'm gonna tell you something. the further south you go, the deeper the wisdom gets. And I'm going to tell you something. If I even travel down there, I need to stop and get an interpreter for me. Get down there in South Georgia, and then go west a ways, and then get way, yeah. I mean, you're going to need somebody, even if you're from Georgia, to give you some interpretations of what they're talking about.
Yeah.
But it's wise. You just hang on, buddy. We'll tell you something down here.
They're looking good.
They're looking good, folks.
But they don't look, well, I don't know, Daddy. They are starting to kind of look a little bit more like theirs.
Folks, ours starting to look more like that.
We're looking at about 6 minutes cook time on these hot shots with the oil at just, it's a little bit over medium right now. Maybe they let the cheese be on the outside and it just kind of melts all up on it. Well, that's what I'm going to do this time. The first batch, I tried to not let the cheese be on the outside. This time, if it's on the outside, I'm just letting it go.
They're crispy like theirs are.
Yeah, they are. Y'all.
Is it good, Mama? Their honey mustard was a little bit different than this right here, but let's go ahead and give it a...
It was thinner and it had poppy seeds in it, I think.
There it is right there. Let's try it. Wow. That's really good, y'all.
It's pretty close. It's not exactly, but it's close.
Not exactly, but it is really close. Close enough you want to get another one.
Here's what they look like, but don't let the looks... This is how theirs look, too. No, theirs was smoother than ours, but that's what that was the color of them, you know?
That's a good taste right there. Really good.
They smell great.
See these bad boys right here with that cheese coming out? Take that thing and just dunk it right down in there.
It tastes very close to theirs, doesn't it? It's really close.
Do that right there.
Yeah.
Make sure you put plenty of cheese. That's key. Like if you don't put enough cheese, it's not going to be like that. Like put plenty of cheese so it oozes out.
Yeah.
And dip it in honey mustard. That is great.